A hero dog from Okaloosa County, Florida, helps a deputy rescue a lost and injured grandmother in the darkness of a golf course. It was around 10:30 p.m. in Destin, Florida. A frantic husband called 911 because his 86-year-old wife had taken their son's dog for a quick walk and she hadn't come back. He told Deputy Devon Miller that she never takes more than 10 or 15 minutes, but she had been gone for over an hour. Deputy Miller immediately started patrolling the dark streets, searching for any sign of the elderly woman. Instead, she found the dog. Wandering alone in the street, trailing his blue leash, was Eeyore, a golden retriever mixed dog. Now, most people might just try to catch the loose dog, but Deputy Miller followed the hunch. She rolled down her window and called out, "Hi, baby! And what happened next is pure magic. Eeyore didn't run away. Deputy Miller grabbed his leash and he practically dragged her through the dark, cutting across yards and onto a golf course, completely focused on his mission. He led the deputy right to his grandmother, who had taken a terrible fall. She was hurt, but she was safe. As paramedics rushed to the scene, the grandmother looked at the deputy and praised her furry guardian angel, saying,
"Oh, Eeyore, you're a good boy. Grandma loves you."
But here's the part of the story that will actually give you chills. Eeyore didn't just save a life that night. He was repaying a debt. Back in 2019, Eeyore was a stray who was hit by a car, suffering a catastrophically broken leg. The incredible folks at Eleanor Rescue near Pensacola refused to put him down, spending thousands of dollars on complex bone plate surgeries to save him. Because humans saved his life when he was helpless, he was there to save his family when they needed him most. The rescued became the rescuer. The body cam video blew up online on the police department's Facebook page alone. As Deputy Miller perfectly put it,
Eeyore's the main hero here. He deserves lots of belly rubs. He deserves a steak dinner.
if you love this real-life Lassie story, hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing animal tales, and give your own dog a hug today. See you next time.